Hello everyone, welcome back to our programming series. In today's session, we're going to solve SkillRack daily test using the C programming language. We'll be addressing a problem known as the diamond diagonal pattern challenge. Let's break down the C code step by step. This program takes two inputs, an integer n and a character ch. N represents the size of the diamond pattern, while ch is the character used for printing the pattern. The program starts by declaring variables, such as n to store the size of the pattern, ch to store the character, and call to control the number of columns in each row of the pattern. Increment and decrement variables are initialized to n-1. These variables help in controlling the pattern's diagonal structure by incrementing and decrementing the column count. The for loop runs n in 2-1 times to create the upper and lower halves of the diamond pattern. It uses I as the loop variable. Inside the loop, there are conditional statements that determine the pattern structure. When I matches n-1, it prints a row of ch characters equal to the input size n. This represents the middle row of the diamond. When I doesn't match n-1, it enters the else if or else blocks to create the diagonal lines of the diamond pattern. These blocks use nested for loops to print the characters based on specific conditions. The if-else conditions within the loops check the positions to print ch characters or hyphens, dash, to form the diagonal lines of the diamond. And that's the breakdown of the code. It cleverly uses loops and conditional statements to generate the diamond diagonal pattern based on user inputs n and ch. Feel free to modify and experiment with this code to understand how different changes affect the pattern. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more programming challenges and solutions. Thanks for watching.